Alright lads, it's Danny here today, bring you a lovely video on why cos²x is equal. Why is that equal to cos² of x minus sin² of x? So this here is a double angle identity which we're going to prove. But before we jump into it, I want you lot to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it then. So the first step, like usual, just like we did with sine, is you're going to have to separate the 2x, meaning you're going to have to write it as an addition, x plus x. So we can apply this trig identity, this additive trig identity for cos. So our a term is going to be basically equal to x, our b term is going to be equal to x, so we're going to replace it into this basically. So we're going to write the equation as follows. Very important. Cos of x multiplied by cos of x is just equal to cos² of x, and likewise we could do the same with sine of x multiplied by sine of x. So you are going to have cos² of x minus sin² of x. Ultimately, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and therefore that implies that cos of 2x is equal to cos² of x minus sin² of x. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.